Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are all great and in a good health. In today's lesson, students, we are going to solve the bookwork of unit number 7, the poem If. Question, answer, and translation are in another video. You can check the playlist. And if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's take the start. Today we have to solve the bookwork. So quickly open the bookwork, and the page number is 89 of unit number 7 If. Okay. So open the book in front of you, then it will be easy for you to mark are the MCQs and the right options of all the questions. Okay, page number 89, and this is vocabulary part A. Here you can see the question is identify the figures of speech and write its types against each sentences. Alright students, now we have to identify figures of speech. As I already told you in the previous video that what are the figures of speech, just like simile, metaphor, personification and imagery. All these figures of speech you can check in detail about all these concepts in another video. Okay, now what is the simile? The water was as cold as ice. यानी पानी जो था वो बर्फ की तरह ठंडा था. Now here you can see जिस सेंटेंस में as और like आ जाएगा जब resemblance देते हुए मुशाबहत देते हुए, that is called the simile. Okay, ये simile है. Number 2 point is the car was moving as slowly as a snail. Again जो कार थी वो इतना स्लो चल रही थी जैसे कि स्नेल चल रहा हो. Now again you are find here, you can find here as. So as mean this is simile. Okay, next number 3 point is the leaves waves goodbye as from the tree. Now saying goodbye. Now who says goodbye? Goodbye says humans. यानी जो पत्ते थे वो goodbye कहते हुए ट्री से गिर रहे थे. अब गुड बाय ह्यूमन करेक्टरिस्टिक्स है, यानी जिस चीज में किसी नॉन लिविंग थिंग को अगर हम ह्यूमन करेक्टरिस्टिक्स से रिजेम्बलेंस दें, इंसानी खूबियों से रिजेम्बलेंस दें, मुशाबहत दें, दैट इज कॉल्ड द पर्सोनिफिकेशन. अब इस सेंटेंस में क्या है, जो लीव्स हैं हम उनको गुड बाय कह रहे हैं, तो गुड बाय ह्यूमंस करते हैं, so that's why this is personification. Number 4 is the alarm clock screamed at me. यानी जो alarm clock था वो मेरे पे चिल्लाया. Now who cries? Human cries. So again this is personification. Okay, जिसमें human characteristics से resemblance दी जाए, that is called the personification. So next number 5 point is his temper was a volcano ready to erupt. यानी जो उसका मजाज था वो बिल्कुल एक आतिश फिशान जैसा था. वोल्केनो आतिश फिशान जो कि हर वक्त फटने के लिए तैयार रहता था. नाउ अगेन वी आर सेइंग हिज टेम्पर अ वोल्केनो. अब हम डायरेक्टली उसके टेम्पर को वोल्केनो कह रहे हैं, ये नहीं कह रहे कि हिज टेम्पर वाज एज हार्ड या एज हार्श एज अ वोल्केनो. हम डायरेक्ट उसके टेम्पर को वोल्केनो बोल रहे हैं. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द मेटाफोर, जिसमें हम डायरेक्टली उसको उसी नाम से बुलाते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड द मेटाफोर. ओके, यानी ही इज अ हॉर्स, ही इज अ लॉइन, इट मीन्स वो बहुत बहादुर है तो ही इज अ लॉइन. हम डायरेक्ट उसको लॉइन कह रहे हैं, हम डायरेक्ट उसके टेम्पर को वोल्केनो कह रहे हैं. ही इज एन ऑक्स, यानी वो एक बैल है, यानी वो एक बैल की तरह हार्ड वर्कर है. लेकिन हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि ही इज एज हार्ड वर्कर एज अ ऑक्स, हम कह रहे हैं कि ही इज एन ऑक्स, जिसमें डायरेक्टली उसको उसी नाम से बुलाया जाए, दैट इज कॉल्ड द मेटाफोर. ओके, क्लियर व्हाट इज सिमिली, व्हाट इज पर्सोनिफिकेशन एंड व्हाट इज मेटाफोर. Now number 6 is her laughter was a sweet symphony. यानी जो उसकी हंसी थी वो एक स्वीट सी मुस्कुराहट, एक रिदम सा था. अगेन वी आर यूजिंग द सिम्फनी, उसके लाफ्टर को हम सिम्फनी बोल रहे हैं, सो दैट इज मेटाफोर. Here you will write the metaphor. Okay, so we have solved the vocabulary part A. Now again fill in the blanks with appropriate conjunctions and transitional devices. Now what is the conjunction and what is the transitional device? Conjunction mean, as I already told you in the previous video, conjunction mean कि जो दो sentences को आपस में word join करके एक sentence बना देता है, that is called the conjunction. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, कंजक्शन कौन से वर्ड हैं जो दो सेंटेंसेस को मिलाकर उनके सेंटर में हम ऐड करके उसको एक सेंटेंस बना देते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड द कंजक्शन। एंड ट्रांजिशनल डिवाइस भी उसी सेंस में आ जाता है जो कि दो सेंटेंस को आपस में ज्वाइन करके उसकी सेंस को बिल्कुल एक सेंटेंस में ले आते हैं। ओके, so look at the number 1 point of your book. The page number is 89 of your book, students. We go to the garden in order to plant trees. Now here you will add a transitional device, in order to, यानी trees को plant करने के लिए हम बाग में गए. Number 2 is he studied hard dash he failed in the exams. Here you will add but. This is conjunction. यानी उसने बहुत सख्त मेहनत की लेकिन वो फिर भी फेल हो गया. Now look at the number 3. She was tired dash she did not give up the work. Now again we are using here a conjunction. वो थक गई थी लेकिन उसने give up नहीं किया, उसने हार नहीं मानी. Now here you can add yet. Okay. Number 4 is it was hot outside. We went back to our homes. Now here we will use so. यानी बाहर बहुत गर्मी थी, सो हम we went back to our homes, हम अपने घर वापस चले गए. Number 5 is she is dash intelligent but also hardworking. Now here we are using transitional devices and conjunction. She is not only and but also hardworking. Okay, yani here we are using not only and but also, these transitional devices. Number 6 is not only the manager but also the employees knew about the changes. Now here we are again using not only. You will add here not only and in second blank you will fill but also. Now look at the number 7. You can dash read the book dash watch the movie. Now this is transitional devices. Here you can see either. You can either read the book or watch the movie. यानी चाहे तो तुम book पढ़ लो या movie देख लो. Okay students, clear? Now what is the conjunction and what are the transitional device? जो words जो devices दो sentences को join करके एक sentence में properly engage कर दे, that is called the conjunction and the transitional devices. Clear students? If you have any query, कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा होगा तो you can comment me in the comment section and you can ask your query or the question in the comment box. Alright students? So here is another one. Number 8 is the dish was as delicious as it looked. Now again we are using here as and as. यानी वो जो dish थी वो इतनी मज़ेदार थी, जैसी वो दिखाई दे रही थी वैसी ही वो मज़ेदार भी थी. Okay, next is part B. Part B is page number is again 89 students. So here the question is rewrite the given sentences by adding conjunctions. Now again we have to add here conjunctions. Conjunction जो दो sentences को आपस में join करता है. Again same is the case here. So look at the number 1 point. You can have ice cream for dessert. You can have cake for dessert. Now these are the two sentences students. You can have ice cream for dessert and you can have cake for dessert. Now we have to add here conjunction or the transitional device by making them one sentence. Now the answer you can see, how can you join it? You can have ice cream and, okay, you will add this conjunction here and cake for dessert, right? Now look at the number 2 point. He was tired, he continued to work. Now these are two sentences. How can we join them? The answer is although. Now again we are using here the conjunction is although he was tired and continued to work. Now we are using although and make two sentences into one. Now look at the number 3. They didn't have enough money. This is one sentence. He couldn't buy the tickets. यानी उनके पास पैसे नहीं थे इसलिए उन्होंने tickets नहीं खरीदी. Now how can we make into one sentence? They didn't have enough money, so they couldn't buy the ticket. Okay, now we are adding here so. This is the conjunction. After using the conjunction, we can make into one sentence. Alright, so next one is number 4. You should wear a coat, it is cold outside. Now these are again two sentences. Now how can we make into one? By using the conjunction. Now look at the answer. You should wear coat because. Okay, we will add here because it is cold outside. Now again we are using here the conjunction is because. Okay, now again number 5 is the restaurant serves delicious food. This is one sentence. Second sentence is the restaurant had great services. Now we have to use the conjunction and make it into one sentence, that is, the restaurant not only serves delicious food but also has great services. Okay, now we're using here two conjunctions, not only and also. Okay, I hope your concept will be clear about the conjunction, about the simile, metaphor, personification and the transitional device. अगर students आप लोगों को अभी भी नहीं समझ आया, you can check my another video about the grammar concepts. And if you have any query regarding today's topic, regarding today's concept, you can ask me in the comment box. And if you like this video, you can like, share and comment. And if you didn't subscribe me, please subscribe my channel for my coming updates and the new lessons about class 9th and the grammar lessons. So take care and Allah Hafiz.